Hello for the Movie Room at Cornell Public Library. I'm Miss Jennifer, and for today's Tinker Tuesday, of course, since it's the last Tuesday of the month, we are doing our engineering challenge. So hopefully you picked up your kits. If not, there should still be some available at the circulation desk for now. So, of course, the first thing you want to go over is what's in your kit. You will find 2 pieces of cardstock paper. You will find 6 glue dots. So glue dots are kind of, they're tacky and they're sticky and they're little glue dots. All right, and then you will find 4 paper clips. So in addition to these supplies, you can use scissors and crayons and markers to decorate your paper house. So the point of the Tinker Tuesday in limiting your supplies is to challenge yourself on how to engineer a paper house that'll stand on its own with only these supplies. So you've got to really think out what you're going to do before you start building your house, because this is all you've got. So we're not using tape. You can use scissors. You can use scissors and with parental help to cut your paper clips if you need to cut them. If not, you can shape them how you want. And of course, you can cut your paper to whatever sizes and shapes you want. Think about what kind of house do you think has the strongest structure. So there's all different kinds of shapes you can do for your house. But you want it to stand on its own without touching it. So that's the goal. So of course, you can decorate your house however you want. You're also free to use the paper bag it came with, since that was part of your kit. And you're really limited on your glue dots, so before you use them, really think out how you want to use them. So that's the whole point of the challenge here, is to challenge yourself on how to problem solve and build a paper house with very, very limited supplies. So I hope you guys really enjoy this challenge. I'd love to in the comments below to see your final products, and tune in next week for a whole new Tinker Tuesday. All right, I will see you next week. All right.